Alright, this is episode 4 of How to Trade the Stock Market. We went over swing highs, swing lows, fair value gaps, and went over something else too. Today we're going to be talking about order blocks. Now, order blocks are going to be, these are going to be where, your banks and your institutions are buying. So the order block is going to be, if it's a move up, it's going to be the last down close candle before that move up. So you have an order block right here. An order block right here. This candle, and we extend that over. And I think now that we're talking about the order block, the fair value gaps, swing highs, I'm going to be talking about a few more things this week, and then we can learn how to take all the things we talked about and put it together, and then it'll be that layered understanding, so you can start forming some trades. And then we're going to be talking about some psychology as well a little bit later down the line, but right now this is your order block. So that would be a bullish order block right here, that white candle, that down close candle. And then you have bearish order blocks, which would be these. Now you can actually use a rapid succession of candles, so since these are all up close, you could actually use all those as the order block. But me personally, I actually just like to use just the top candle. So we have this last up close candle before the move down, so that's going to be your bearish order block. And you see price came into the order block right here and reversed down. We'll go over some more, and of course this happens on all time frames with the daily chart real quick. So this candle right here would be an order block. Then you'd have an order block right here. You have an order block right here. Let me go. Excuse me. Let me go back to the 1 hour chart. So you have an order block right here. This would be a bearish order block. So if it's a move down, you're going to want to look for the last up close candle. So we've talked about candles, up close, down close, open high, low, and close. We've talked about swing highs and swing lows, fair value gaps, and now we're talking about these order blocks. You have an order block right here. Let me mark out some order blocks real quick. So if this is your order block, you can just extend those out. So if it's a bearish order block, it's going to be the last up close candle before a big move down. Or if it's a bullish order block, you want the last down close candle before move up. So this would be your order block right here. And then I'm going to go a little bit deeper into things now. This is the full move up. Hold on. Okay. This full move up from right here to here, the top up here. that's your full move up, but look how we come up and we form like this little like thing that looks like stairs. So you could actually count these as individual moves. So you have an order block right here. Just extend that out. This candle right here. You have an order block here. An order block here. You have an order block right here. Extend that out. So those are your order blocks. Now let me just go over it real quick again. You have bearish order blocks and bullish order blocks. A bullish order block is going to be your last down close candle before a move up. And your bearish order block is going to be the last up close candle before a move down. Let me go over here and let's section some stuff off. Section off this and section off this. So this is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 days. This is 4 days of price. Now within this, I want you to pause your video and find a bearish order block. Actually find 2 bearish order blocks and 2 bullish order blocks. Go ahead and pause your video. I'm about to show you right now. Now if you're not pausing your video, you're only hurting yourself, because you should really be trying to learn this. So we have our one bearish order block right here. This candle right here. That blue candle, that up close candle. Extend that out. You can extend it out. But bearish order block. Now, bullish order block right here. The last down close candle before the move up. See, we have this down close candle, and then we have this big move up. Down close candle, big move up. Down close candle, big move up. So order block. So that's 2 bearish order blocks. Sorry, 2 bullish order blocks. And let's look for another bearish order block. So we have one right here. And one right here. Let's mark out this one. Also, if anyone has any questions, feel free to message me on YouTube or Instagram. I don't mind helping anyone. I would have loved to have someone that I could talk to when I was first learning, but so there's your order blocks. We're gonna be getting into market structure later this week. Talk about some little things, but there's your order blocks. Go ahead and study